Here's what most people overlook when they start dreaming of a waterfront home in Calgary. It's not just about the view, it's about a completely different lifestyle. And the maintenance that comes with it can either be a dream or a nightmare. I'm Kristen, and I specialize in helping home buyers navigate Calgary's unique real estate landscape, especially when it comes to finding those special properties. Today, you'll discover the diverse world of Calgary's waterfront homes, from serene lakefront properties to expansive acreages with stunning water features. We'll uncover the hidden joys and practical realities of waterside living here. And by the way, if you're thinking about making a move to Calgary, I get calls and emails every single day from people just like you, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. There's a link in the description to book a free, no pressure chat with me, and I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to Calgary. Calgary might be landlocked, but that doesn't mean we don't have incredible waterfront living options. When I say waterfront here, I'm talking about two main types: true lakefront properties within established communities, and then the more expansive riverfront or creekside acreages that offer a different kind of tranquility. For instance, communities like Mahogany and Auburn Bay in the southeast are purpose built around man made lakes, offering private beach access, boating, and year round recreational activities. These homes often come with higher HOA fees, but the lifestyle they offer is unparalleled for families. On the flip side, you have stunning properties along the Bow River or smaller creeks, particularly as you move west towards Cochrane or south into the foothills. These are often larger lots, providing more privacy and a connection to nature that's distinct from the community centric lake living. What most new buyers don't realize is the vast difference in experience between these two. One is about community and amenities, the other is about space and natural serenity. Now, let's talk about what makes owning a waterfront home truly unique. Beyond the obvious aesthetic appeal of incredible views, there are practical considerations. For lakefront homes, you're buying into a lifestyle that includes private lake access, often with a dock or shared beach. This means summer days filled with paddleboarding, swimming, and skating in the winter. However, this also means specific bylaws, potentially higher property taxes due to the premium location, and those aforementioned HOA fees that cover lake maintenance and amenities. For riverfront properties, the appeal is often the expansive views, direct access to fishing, or simply the peaceful sound of flowing water. I had a client last year who found a breathtaking property west of the city along the Bow River. And while the view was spectacular, we had to carefully research floodplains and erosion mitigation. This is where my local expertise becomes crucial. Understanding the specific environmental factors and regulations for each unique waterside location is paramount. This brings me to something crucial that many buyers overlook: maintenance. Waterfront homes demand specific attention that a typical suburban home simply doesn't. For lakefront properties, think about your dock. Is it permanent or seasonal? What are the regulations for its upkeep? You might also have specific landscaping requirements to prevent runoff into the lake. Then there's the wear and tear from moisture and fluctuating temperatures. For riverfront properties, especially those on acreages, erosion control is a big one. You might need retaining walls, specific plantings, or regular bank stabilization. Wildlife management can also be a factor as your property becomes part of a larger ecosystem. What most people don't realize is that insurance can also vary. Premiums might be higher due to the perceived risks like flooding or weather exposure. Budgeting for these ongoing maintenance items is just as important as budgeting for the mortgage itself. It's not just about the stunning sunsets, it's about protecting your investment long term. Let's dive into some specific areas. Beyond Mahogany and Auburn Bay for lakefront, consider Arbor Lake in the northwest, which offers similar private lake access, though often with older homes. These communities are fantastic for families seeking that vibrant, active lifestyle. Now, for those dreaming of more space and a natural water feature, my acreage and rural mastery really comes into play. Heading west towards Cochrane, you'll find incredible acreages along the Bow River or its tributaries, offering stunning mountain views alongside river access. Similarly, areas south towards Okotoks or High River can offer properties with natural springs, creeks, or even man made ponds that enhance the rural living experience. These aren't necessarily waterfront in the traditional sense, but they provide that serene connection to water on a much larger scale. Prices for these properties can vary wildly, from roughly $800,000 for a smaller lakefront home up to multi-million dollar estates along the river, depending on the size of the lot, the home's features, and the exact water frontage. So, is waterfront living in Calgary your dream? It truly offers an unparalleled quality of life, a sense of peace, and direct access to recreation that few other property types can match. But it's not for everyone. It requires a buyer who is prepared for the unique maintenance demands, potentially higher costs, and the specific community bylaws that come with it. Before you fall in love with a property, I always recommend a thorough due diligence process that goes beyond a standard home inspection. This includes reviewing all lake association documents, understanding any flood zone designations, and getting quotes for specialized maintenance. The biggest mistake I see buyers make is getting swept away by the view and not fully understanding the responsibilities. With the right guidance, however, finding your perfect Calgary waterfront home can be an incredible, rewarding experience that pays dividends in lifestyle for years to come. If the idea of waterfront living in Calgary excites you, but you want to make sure you're making a smart, informed decision, I'm here to help. Reach out to me directly. My contact information is in the description below. I'd love to chat about your specific vision and help you navigate the unique opportunities and challenges of this incredible market. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Calgary real estate insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching.